Hello, now we can discuss Newton's theorem for assigned powers of roots. Let given polynomial f of x equal to p0 x power n plus p1 x power n minus 1 and up to so on pn. Every polynomial is ended by a constant. Now the constant is pn. Okay. Suppose using this polynomial, if you want to find, let us suppose that its roots are this. Let's suppose its roots are alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma. Then can we find the alpha plus beta plus gamma? And using this, can we find alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square? Can we find alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube? Can we find alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4? And can we find alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 plus gamma power 5? And up to so on. This is alpha power n plus beta power n plus gamma power n. Can we find these values? Okay. I think easily we can find alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, and this also we can try it alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube, and thereby it will be little bit difficult to find the alpha power n plus beta power n and gamma power n. Let us think consider it is as S1. S1 equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. S2 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. And S3 is equal to, you consider S3 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. And S4 is equal to alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4. And S5 is equal to alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 plus gamma power 5 and up to so on. This one we can consider as Sn is equal to the alpha power n plus beta power n gamma power n. To find these values, we are using Newton's theorem. What is Newton's theorem? We can see here, if I take the one example, 2x cube minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 is a one polynomial is there. I am taking the roots of this equation alpha, beta, gamma. Mean x is equal to alpha, x is equal to beta, x is equal to gamma. X is equal to alpha mean replace x by alpha. Then this equation will become as the 2 alpha cube minus 3 alpha plus 3 is equal to 0. If x is equal to beta, next if you replace x by beta, 2 beta cube minus 3 beta plus 3 is equal to 0. And gamma, if you are taken, x is equal to gamma, if you are taken, replace x by gamma, then 2 gamma cube minus 3 gamma plus 3 is equal to 0. So if you add these equations, then we can get as 2 times the alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube minus 3 of alpha plus beta plus gamma. And this 3 is added for 3 times, mean 3 times the 3 is equal to 0. So if you want to find it, this one, by this equation, by this polynomial, we can find it. Solution is like this. So solution will be, this is the P0. This is the P0. And next P1 is not there, x square coefficient is not there. Next to P2 is there. Okay. And it is the Pn, we can take it. This is the Pn. Okay. In the solution, that Pn is multiplied for how many times your powers you want, that much of time it is multiplied. Okay. So that means it's to find this type of equations, Newton has given the solution as The solution part we can consider it is as the, by using this one, it is a P naught Sn, this is the Sn, plus P1 Sn minus 1 and plus P2 Sn minus 2, okay, and up to so on. This is Pn is multiplied for n times, mean n into Pn is equal to 0. To find Sn, we can use this formula. Newton has given this formula to find the Sn. Okay, now we can use this one. Okay, finally what you can take here, okay, you can take it is as this one, as it is if the polynomial is P naught x power n plus P1 x power n minus 1 plus P2 x power n minus 2 and up to so on, plus Pn is equal to is a polynomial. To find Sn, we are using the formula solution set as we are using it P naught Sn plus P1 Sn minus 1 plus P2 Sn minus 2 and up to so on. Last part is n into Pn is equal to 0. So we have to memorize this one. We are using this one. Okay, let it is n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. This will be what n P naught and S1 plus, if n is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, S naught, it become the S naught. So S naught we are not taking, so it is ended by this n into Pn, mean it is a 1 into P1 is equal to 0. By this we can get the P naught S1 plus P1 is equal to 0. S1 value we will get from this equation. Let n is equal to 2. Let n is equal to 2 in this solution, then it is P naught S2 plus it is a P1 S2 minus 1 is S1, and next it will be 2 minus 2 is 0, mean we are not considering this one. It is ended by this constant, that is a 2 times the n is the 2 into P2, 2 times the P2. So by this we can find the S2 value. Okay, next if you are taking the n is equal to 3, then it will be P naught Sn is equal to 3, mean S3 plus P1 S3 minus 1 S2. Next P2 into 3 minus 2 is S1 plus it will be ended by 3 into P3 is equal to 0. By this we can find the S3. Here we can find the S2. Here we can find the S1. Next, if you are taken the n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4, then it is n is equal to 4, mean it is P naught. Solution set is S4 plus P1 S4 minus 1 is 3 plus it is the P2 S4 minus 2 is 2 and P3 S1, and it is ended by 4 into P4 is equal to 0. By this we can find the S4. Like this we can find its reciprocal equations also. So we'll see one problem for reciprocal function. So we can find S1, S2, S3 and up to so on. Like this Sn also we can find like this. Okay. Now we can see some example problems. Now see the one example I am taking, it is as the here see. This is the problem. It is given if alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta are roots of x power 4 minus x cube minus 7x square plus x plus 6 equal to 0. The question is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 plus delta power 4 is equal to question mark. So for this polynomial, 4th degree polynomial, there will be 4 roots alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, so let roots are the alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So we have to find this S4. The meaning is it is the S4 is equal to question mark. Okay, so this one for this solution set, mean first you take the comparison of the given polynomial with the, so that is, it is compare given equation x power 4 minus x cube minus 7x square plus x plus 6 is equal to the 0 is equal to p naught x power 4 plus p1 x power 3 plus it is p2 x square plus p3 x plus p4 is equal to 0. Now if you compare it, x power 4 coefficient is 1 here and x cube coefficient is p1 is equal to the minus 1 and p2 is equal to minus 7 and p3 is equal to the 1 and p4 is equal to the 6. So if you are going to find the solution set is, what is the solution set? Solution set is p naught Sn plus p1 Sn minus 1 plus p2 Sn minus 2 and up to so on npn is equal to 0. So that is, we can find it is p naught n is equal to, let n is equal to 1, that implies p naught S1 plus 1 into p1 is equal to 0. By this we can find the S1 p naught is 1, 1 into p naught is 1, 1 into S1 plus p1 is minus 1 is equal to 0. So that implies S1 is equal to, S1 meaning is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1. So S1 value we found it is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1. Let us take the, now next n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2 means substitute here. So that is p naught S2 plus p1 2 minus 1 S1 and it is ended by 2 into p2 is equal to 0. So that is p naught is 1 into S2 is the S2. Okay. Next we can take the p1 S1. p1 is minus 1, S1 is 1, mean minus 1. p2 is 2 into p2. What is it? 2 into p2 is 14. Minus 14 is equal to 0. So what we can say here, S2 is equal to the alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to, if it is sending to the right side, it is the 15. So S2 value we got it, it is the S2 is equal to the 15. Okay. Next, if you are taken the, let n is equal to the 3, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 3 substitute here, then it is p naught S3 plus p1 S3 minus 1 2 plus p2 3 minus 2 is S1 plus it is ended by it will be the 3 into p3 is equal to 0. What is the p naught value is 1 into S3 is the S3. Okay. p1 S2, p1 is minus 1 into 15 is the minus 15. p2 is minus 7 into S1 is minus 7. Okay. And P3 means 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is plus 3. So this is the 15 minus 7 is minus 22 plus 3 19. So that means you can write it is as the S3 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is equal to 19 is the answer. Okay. Next you can take as the, let n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4. Substitute here p naught S4 and p1 plus p1 S3 plus and p2 S4 minus 2 is the S2 plus next will be p3 S1 plus it is ended by 4P4 is equal to 0. By this we can get as, that is the P0 is 1 into S4 plus P1 is minus 1 into S3 is 19, mean minus 19. P2 is minus 7 into 15 is minus 105. Next P3 1 into S1 is 1 plus 1. 4 into P4, 4 into 6 is 24 is equal to 0. So that means what you can say here, S4 is equal to, you got it is the 24 mean 19, it is the 99, this is the 99. So finally what you can say, S4 is equal to alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 plus delta power 4 is equal to, answer is 99. So this is a solution of this equation. We can find it is like this. Okay. Next question. We can see next question. It is the sum of fourth powers of the roots of the equation x cube plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. The sum of fourth powers of root mean they are asking S4 equal to alpha power 4 alpha beta gamma roots of this cubic equation, mean they are asking alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 is the question mark. This one we have to find. Okay, now this is given equation, compare with x cube plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Compare with P0 x cube plus P1 x square. X square term is not here. Plus P2 x plus P3. Okay. So if you compare it, P0 is equal to, we can observe 1. X cube coefficient is 1. X square coefficient is not there. P1 is equal to 0. Next you can observe it is P2 is equal to x coefficient, mean it is 1, and P3 is constant, that is equal to 1. Now solution set we can write as, what is the solution set? P0 Sn plus P1 Sn minus 1 plus P2 Sn minus 2 and up to so on plus Npn is equal to 0. In this, if you take the, let n is equal to 1, if you consider n is equal to 1, then it is the P0 S1. Okay, and 1 minus 1, n is equal to 1, if you put it n minus 1, 0. So we are not considering this, then we are coming here, then this is a P1 is equal to 0. What is the P0 is 1, mean it is a S1 we are getting. P1 is 0, mean is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0, mean it is the alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, answer we got it. Okay, like this you can take it n is equal to 2. If n is equal to 2, then it is a P0 S2 plus P1 2 minus 1 S1 plus 2 minus 2 is 0. Then we are coming to at the end Npn, mean 2P2 is equal to 0. By this what you can write, it is S2 P1 is 0, it is 0 plus 2P2, mean P2 is 1, mean it is a meaning is plus 2 is equal to 0. That meaning is S2 is equal to we can write it is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to minus 2. Okay, now you can take it is, let n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 mean it is the P0 S3 plus P1 S3 minus 1 2 plus 3 minus 2 is 1, mean P2 S 1 plus next it will be 0, S0 will come. So we have to come here 3p3 is equal to 0. So this one we can write as this one. P0 is 1, S3 mean it is a S3. P1 is 0 and P2 S1 is also 0. So we are coming to here plus 3 P3 is 1 mean it is a 3 is equal to 0. That implies you can write it is S3 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. This is equal to, we got it, answer is minus 3. So this is the answer S3. We need what we required, S4 we required, mean alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 is the question mark. To get this answer, we don't have the here P4. If you apply like this, n is equal to 4, we need P4 to write this S4. So we don't have the P4. That's why you do one thing. So just to multiply given equation, let the given equation once again given equation, that is x cube plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Just multiply with the x on both sides to get the S4. So that is x power 4 plus x square plus x is equal to 0. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation, then if alpha is the root of this equation, we can write it is the alpha power 4 plus alpha square plus alpha is equal to 0. And beta roots of this equation, beta is the root of this equation, then this equation will be changed as beta power 4 plus beta square plus beta is equal to 0. If gamma is the root of this equation, then it will be changed as gamma power 4 plus gamma square plus gamma is equal to 0. So if you add these three equations, that is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 plus it is the alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, and this is the plus alpha plus beta plus gamma. So this one you can take as S4, this one you can take as S4, and this is the S2 and this is the S1. So is equal to 0. So this one directly you can write it is as S4. Directly this equation, in this equation you can write it is S4, and this is the S2 and this is S1. Okay, they are added by plus is equal to 0. What we required is S4. We required S4 is equal to what you have, minus S2 minus S1. So that is S2 is minus of S2 answer is minus 2, minus of S1 answer is, we got it 0, it is 0. So minus of minus is a plus 2. So finally what you can write it, S4 is equal to, it is the alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 is equal to, answer is plus 2. So this is the answer for this required question. So for this question, S4 answer is 2 is the answer. Okay, for this given question. So for this given question, sum of the fourth roots of the equation x cube plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that's answer is, it is the 2. Okay, now we can solve the in this way. Next question we can solve it reciprocal format. So reciprocal format, how we are going to solve it? Now see, the question is, if alpha comma beta comma gamma are roots of the equation x cube minus 7x plus 7 is equal to 0, then the value of alpha power minus 4 plus beta power minus 4 plus gamma power minus 4, mean what they are asking, they are asking it is the s suffix minus 4. S suffix minus 4 they are asking, mean it is 1 by alpha power 4 plus 1 by beta power 4 plus 1 by gamma power 4 they are asking. So how we are going to solve this one? We'll see here. In the same previous problem method we have to solve it. First write the reciprocal equation of the given equation. Write the reciprocal equation of this equation. First write what is alpha comma beta roots of this equation, mean alpha comma beta. So this is given equation is x cube minus 7x plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so this equation roots are the, what are the roots of this equation is alpha, one root, and this is a beta, and another root is gamma. For this equation, alpha, beta, gamma roots. So if you write it, write reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation. If you write reciprocal equation, what is the reciprocal equation? Replace x by 1 by x. Replace x by 1 by x. Replace x by 1 by x means it is a 1 by x cube minus 7 by x plus 7 is equal to 0. If you take the LCM, x cube is the LCM. So this is 1 minus, it is 7, x is goes 2 times, mean it is x square, plus it is 7 into x cube is 7x cube. Okay, so if you simplify it, you will get the equation is it is equal to 0, mean it is a 7x cube minus 7x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So this equation roots are the, whatever the reciprocal equation you got it, that is 7x cube you got it, and minus 7x square you got it, and plus 1 is equal to 0. So this equation roots will be, so this equation roots will be, you can take it is 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. So these are the three roots. Okay, so these three roots, 1 by alpha comma 1 by beta comma 1 by gamma. You have to find 1 by alpha power 4, 1 by beta power 4, 1 by gamma power 4. So you have to do it is in the same previous method, but you have to consider it is the reciprocal format. Okay, directly we should not consider. Okay, mean it is for convenience purpose we should not consider. So we can consider it is compare with, okay, compare with the, what is the equation here, 7x cube minus 7x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So this one we have to compare with p naught x cube plus p1 x square plus p2 x term is not there plus p3 is equal to 0. Okay, now if you compare it, so this values you are getting as, this is you are getting as p naught is equal to 7. Okay, p1 is equal to minus 7. Okay, and p2 is equal to 0. No x coefficient is there here. So and p3 is equal to 1. So you got it, this one. So write the solution set. What is the solution set? It is the solution set is we are considering as p naught sn plus p1 sn minus 1 plus p2 sn minus 2, and up to so on it will be ended by npn is equal to 0. Okay, so now if let us take the, let you consider it is reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation mean in keep in your mind roots are the 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. Okay, so but you are writing it is a s suffix minus n, actually s suffix minus n minus 1, but we are following in our previous process. Let n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 mean it is a p naught s1 and it is coming here plus p1 is equal to 0. So that meaning is it is the p naught is 7 s1 and p1 is minus 7 is equal to 0. So what you can write here, from here s1 is equal to, the meaning is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma is equal to 1 is the answer. So that is s suffix 1, s suffix minus 1 or s1 is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma is equal to 1. Let us take like in that way, let us take it is let n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 mean it is a p naught s2 plus p1 s2 minus 1 s1, and it is a plus it is a 2p2 is equal to 0. So if you write it, what is you are getting? P naught is 7 S2 plus it is a P1 is minus 7 and S1 is 1, that is minus 7 into 1, okay, plus 2p2 is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So you can write it is S2 is equal to, mean S suffix minus 2 is equal to, its roots will be 1 by, its S2 answer is 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square plus 1 by gamma square is equal to, answer will be 1. So S2 answer also we got it. Okay, now we have to take n is equal to 3. If we take it, n is equal to 3. Okay, let us take n is equal to 3. Okay, let us consider n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 mean it will be P naught S3 plus P1 S2 plus P2 S1 plus 3P3 is equal to 0. So if you write it, P naught is 7 S3 we have to find plus P1 is minus 7 into S2 is 1 plus P2 is 0 plus 3 into P3 is 1 is equal to 0. So what you can get here, S3 is equal to minus 7 plus 3 is the 4. So that is 4 by 7. So that meaning is S3 is equal to, mean S suffix minus 3. So its meaning is 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube plus 1 by gamma cube is equal to 4 by 7. So this is the S3 answer. We required S4. To find S4, we don't have P4. Okay, to find the S4, we need the P4. We don't have P4. For that purpose, this equation 7x cube minus 7x square plus 1 is equal to 0, multiply with x on both sides. So once again let this equation once again. So that is let it is the equation is, what is that? It is 7x cube minus 7x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Just to multiply with x on both sides. So mean it is a 7x power 4 minus 7x cube plus x is equal to 0. So then you directly you can write it here, S7 into, this is you can write S4, okay, minus 7 into S3 you can write it, plus it is the S1 is equal to 0. So that means you can write it is the 7S4 is equal to the 7x cube minus S1. So that is you can write it is as the, this is you can write it is 7S4 is equal to 7 into S3 value we got it, S3 value we got it 4 by 7, it is a 4 by 7 minus S1 value we got it, S1 is 1, we got it, S1 value is 1. So that is 1 value, if you substitute here, that is S1 value is 1, mean it is a 4 minus 1 is 3. So finally you can write as S4, S4 mean S suffix 4, that is equal to 1 by alpha power 4 plus 1 by beta power 4 plus 1 by gamma power 4, that is equal to alpha power minus 4 plus beta power minus 4 plus gamma power minus 4 is equal to, answer will be, this is 3 by 7. So therefore this is the answer for your question. Okay. Thank you.